What's up guys, Patty here and welcome to a brand new video.
Why always me?
Right now I'm heading towards the office. I've had a slow day. I've been productive with the time I've put into work, but I woke up way later than I wanted to, and if you know me, that's the worst nightmare for me. It doesn't change the matter that I'm gonna get things done. Actually, when I start the days out bad, I'm actually gonna turn that day to be even greater than I thought it would be, because now I have a chip on my shoulder to do even better. But anyways, right now we are parked here with my rental. My car is gonna get the brakes fixed. I have an older GTI, which I just fucking love. Right now the car is gonna buy super awkward, but I just fucking love that car. I am gonna go in and see if I can buy a bit better car, not better, but a newer car here in 2019. But yeah, so far the brakes are gonna get done with on that car. But yeah, the schedule right now is that I'm gonna go to the office. Right now it's already 3 p.m. I have done some work for an hour and a half or something like that. Drove my girlfriend in here to Aalborg to catch a bus. Right now I'm gonna get to the office and I'm gonna get to work. I think today what I want to talk about is simply what you guys can kind of do to make sure that when you have found a product that you really think is going to be a winner, that you can actually make money on, I want to help you towards that the trigger point. Like, do I actually test this?
You've been hating on me for too long though. I'm just trying to get up on Ballon d'Or. Why always me?
Right now I'm back at my office. I'm currently in the meetings room. I have no idea if you can see that. But anyways, yeah, as I've mentioned, today is going to be about once you have found the product that you honestly believe is going to be your winner, your money-making product, there's still going to be that last doubt of, shall I actually test it? Because again, you can't 100% know if this is going to be a winner. So you believe it's going to be, but before you pull the trigger of actually investing the money that you have, the hard-earned money that you have, and the money that you really want to invest, but it has to be the best investment, like for real. Like, you either have to get money back or you have to make a profit of some sort. You don't want to waste your money because you probably don't gonna have a lot of it in the beginning. So you want to know, shall I actually put money into this product? Because you can believe in it, but you need to know, will I get something in return? And that's what I'm going to talk about here. So for this example, I'm just going to pull out a product. What I've done, I've just gone to AliExpress and search up hip-hop jewelry. I'm a guy who sells a lot in the jewelry niche, not particularly in the hip-hop jewelry niche, but it's actually some awesome products. But I just scrolled down and I chose this one, right? I can see right now it's $8.50 to $16. I'm going to go in and see if that depends on the color or what variations that they're going to have. It has 2,500 orders, which means it's healthy. Now, having those many orders can mean a couple things. I'm just going to go through it all right now. Well, first off, number one, it's selling good, right? It's going to have a lot of sales every single day, but it can also mean that it sold good for 6 months ago and today it's having zero sales. So you will need to go in and check upon that. And the way you do that is through the dropshipping center in AliExpress. But I'm not going to go into detail with that right now. Right now I'm just going to show you what you're going to do after you figured that out. But anyways, I chose this product. I actually have it right here. I'm going to pull it out here. So this is the product I chose. It's kind of like an iced out bling, as it says, rhinestone, golden finish Miami Cuban link chain. But yeah, it's just that hip hop niche, having that iced out and such. And of course this is fake. This is not real ice, or it's not real gold or whatever, but actually it looks pretty damn good. So what you have is that you can choose between gold and silver, right? So you always need, when you're selling in the jewelry niche or whatever you're selling, you need variants, so the specific customer can choose whatever they want. So we have that here. 2 variants is perfect for me personally, because I like to keep it simple as well. Length is 18-inch to 24-inch, and that's where the price is going to go up. So if you were to sell a product like this, of course you will have to go in and up the price as the buyout price is going to go up every time you choose a bigger size, right? So right now, these are the metrics I'm going to look for in a product to make sure that to pull the trigger to actually put in money to it. First off, Besides looking at the orders, I want to look at the reviews. First off, this got 4.6 reviews. I usually don't do a product that has under 4.7, but there will be products where I will do it. For example, this one I would. It got 2,500 orders. It got 380 reviews. That's pretty damn good. And out of 380 reviews, it got 4.6, which means it's a steady winner, right? So that's a good thing. If this product only had 5 reviews, 10 reviews, 100 reviews, I would maybe go and see if I can find something else. I actually found this product with way less reviews and about the same orders, but I would definitely go for the product or the supplier that have the most reviews on the product, because then you know 100% sure. They're definitely way more sure that this is a product you can sell. The next thing is in combination with the reviews. I'll actually go down and read it. Now why? First of all, it's always good to look at products. So product images. So as you can see, this looks pretty dope. It looks pretty real. But where you're gonna get the real honest truth is simply down in the reviews section. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna look for 2 things. Mainly, it's gonna be the shipping. What are people saying about the shipping? And it's gonna be about the packaging. And you can also put a third in, the images, if people are posting images of themselves wearing the product after they got them. So first off, shipping. The reason why I will look for this, because as you know, as a dropshipper, the big thing is the shipping, right? That's where we're gonna fall a bit behind because it's a bit longer shipping. Now, I've always said to my clients, and I've always had this in my business, if I just inform the customer about the shipping, it doesn't matter at all. They just want to get what they buy. They're not in a hurry, right? So just be honest with them. But if you can read throughout the review section that the product took way more than the supplier said, so even though the supplier may be going to say, hey, it's going to take 3 to 4 weeks, but it actually takes 6 to 8 weeks to come, that's a no-brainer. Cut it off immediately, because that means all the orders that you're going to get and ship out to your customers, they're going to get it late as well, and it all's going to fall back on you. So always keep an eye on that. And as I can see right now, this is very good product, although there were complications for shipping. Okay, we need to have that in mind. But I can also read down here. Let's see. The parcel came on time. Perfect. The first time I ordered something with Ali and very satisfied. Awesome, man. Go down below. Delivery time to Poland 12 days. Wow. Very fast. Item looks great. See, that's what we're going to look for. That's super dope. Again, dope for the price and fast shipping. So right now we're going to confirm that in general there is fast shipping. Now, of course, we can have guys like this who don't get it in time. That will always be also what you're going to look for. They get a product and it says like 10,000 words in Chinese, and it says the buyer price of the product. For example, like the price you are giving on AliExpress, let's say it says, in this case, it's going to say $9, and they have spent $30 on it on my store. That's not good. That's not good marketing for me or my store or for anyone else, right? So that's also what you're going to look for, is if people are posting up in here that, hey, look, this is what it said when I got it. And they show a picture of the packaging. You have to take that in consideration of, are you going to pursue this product? But as I can see on this, just to move forward, is that the shipping is good. The shipping is a big thumbs up, and we're going to move on. The next thing we're going to look for is going to be the packaging. And so far, when I've read throughout this, nobody's complaining, nobody's saying nothing. The product is exactly like described. The length is perfect. I advise whoever to buy it has some sort of nail or varnish about this. Okay, so that's good, I guess. Packed in a box perfectly, no defects, looks cannot, whatever. Thank you, 5-star seller. See, that's exactly. So right now we have shipping, that's a thumbs up. We have the packaging, that's a thumbs up. That's a thumbs up. And right now we're gonna look into images that the customer have sent after they've received the product. And as I can see here already, we got some. See, and if you ask me right now, looking at that image and looking at this image, it honestly looked like it's real, right? And that's what we want. We can also see it here. Like, that's high quality. It looks really well. You're not getting anything where you're missing a lot of ice or whatever you want to call it. Like, look at this dude. This looks real, right? So the reason why I want to see this is because a jewelry like this, it could also end up that some of the stones or eyes, whatever you want to call it, is missing. So now we got those three out of the way. We got the shipping, packaging, and making sure social proof that the product that the customers are actually receiving looks good. And again, we can see it here. Hey, that's the packaging. That looks awesome. Okay, so as it looks like this right now, it looks like they've got this box. If that's true, like, that's true, man. That's awesome. Okay, so right now they could easily just have gotten this bag right here, right, and put it in a kind of like a plastic bag that they're gonna ship it in easily. No one will think about it. But the fact of the matter that they're gonna get a box like this, where I can see there's some kind of pillow in there, like this, and here's a picture of it as well. The fact that they actually get that, that's a huge plus, guys. That's a huge plus. That looks like we are having it ourselves at our own storage, right? It looks like we have the box and really packaged it and put care into it, but we haven't. That's amazing, right? I'm actually pretty stunned about that. So as you can see right here, we actually got some pretty damn good shipping times. Anyways, yeah, so that's the main things I want to look at. The next thing I want to look at is on Facebook and social media. What I want you to do is that I want you to search upon Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, you name it, Pinterest, or whatever you're going to use. See if you can find this product in ads, right? If you can't find it, it's all good. The other metrics are looking very good. But if you can find it and you can see the social proof on that, that's just even better. Because if I stumble upon an ad or find an ad specifically, for example, this product, and I can see this got hundreds of thousands of views or million views, it got 10,000 comments, 30,000 comments, I know for a fact that this business is making money. I just know. Because, for example, let's just take the complete opposite. Nike, Coca-Cola, one of their ads, it doesn't really matter that much. For them, it's just more about brand recognition because they're making the sales already. But for a dropshipping formula and business, in order for you to keep on running the ads, you have to make money. And if you have an ad that have thousands of comments and views and likes, it's because they keep running the ad. And they won't keep running the ad if they're not making money on it. Well, they are making money on it then. So that's enormous. So see if you can find that. What you're gonna do once you've found the product. So let's say right now I'm in your situation. I found this product and you have done exactly what I've just told you, right? You looked at the orders and you're gonna go into Dropshipping Center and see how it fits with everything. I'm gonna do that right now. So I'm actually gonna do that right now. We're gonna copy this. We're gonna go over here. I already had it open. We're gonna paste it out and search. So as we can see right now, and it has to have over 10 orders a day and below 1,000. I know that's pretty broad, but that's just how we're gonna roll with it. Right here, it got 10, 20, 17, 8, 21, 22, 23, 22, 37, 8. So it got some sales. It's not crazy good, but you can see right now it's being sold, right? Right now, you know about the orders. That's a good amount of reviews, and you've looked through the reviews to see if the shipping is good, the packaging is good, and shows proof in the images the customer has taken after they received the product. And then if you can find an ad about the same exact product on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, wherever you're going to promote, and see that there's social proof that you can see this ad has been running for some time, it got pretty damn good numbers, you're all set to go. Now if you can't find that, but if you have looked through that the orders are good, the amount of orders coming in every day looks good, it got a good amount of reviews, and again the shipping, packaging, and social proof is there, go for it, man. You already know this is a good product. Again, you don't need that amount of proof anywhere and everyone and everywhere to know if you're going to promote it. As long as you can actually see this is making a good amount of sales every single day, or it's making healthy amount of sales every single day. It got a good amount of orders, it got the social proof, it got the packaging, the shipping, it got a good rating. What else do you need, right? And you're good to go. Go out and test it. Of course, you're going to always end up not having a product going to work, but if you have all of these things in order, which I just talked about, all you have to do from there is go with that product. Don't test multiple other products from now in the beginning, what you're going to do is that you're going to stick with this product, and then instead of testing 5 to 10 different products, if you feel like this is not working, test 5 to 10 different ad copies on Facebook, right? Test a different ad copy, test a different scroll stopper, test a different image or video ad, test a different thumbnail. Test 5 to 10 different ad copies and ad sets before testing 5 to 10 other products, right? So just make sure that all of these metrics I've talked about is on par with your product. Go out and test it and you are good to go. That's all for my laptop right now. I'm gonna sign off on my phone, so I'll see you there. So what's up guys, we're back from the computer here. So anyways, I wanna cut this video off right now. That first off, just make sure the product that you have chosen, of course, have a healthy number of orders, and make sure that the amount of orders it's getting in every day is above 10 and below 1,000. Make sure the ratings are good, make sure there's a good number of reviews, and then go down to the review section to see social proof about the customer who has pictures of the product so you can see it in real life. Make sure the shipping is good, they're writing about the shipping in a positive note, the packaging is good as well. And then if you can, see if you can find the product on social medias to see for that kind of social proof. So make sure the likes, the views, the comments are in a huge number, because then you know the business is making money on it, because they would stop the ads if they weren't making money on it. So that's it from this video guys. Go down the description, you can find my Instagram there, hit me up there, that's where I help the most guys, and subscribe as well, like and share with your guys, and yeah, thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video.
Why nobody see that I'm Jack Balotelli, trying to get up on myself?